Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I was about to say good morning, but it's actually 2 p.m. so it's absolutely not the morning, even though it really does feel like it is. For today's vlog, I really wanted it to be Christmassy, so I wanted to decorate my Christmas tree, making some gingerbread cookies, wrapping up some Christmas gift. I'm gonna pick up my Christmas gift, which I'm really excited about. I'm super happy also because I finally received my parents' gift, my brother gift, my boyfriend's gift, so everyone will have their gift on time. And lastly, I wanted to put some Christmas movie and make some healthy hot chocolate. Also, these fluffy slippers are just the best thing I bought in 2020. I'm not kidding, especially because we stayed at home half of the year. Actually, it was the best idea, you know? It's so comfy and so warm.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Snow, but have a cup of cheer. Have a holly jolly Christmas, jolly Christmas this year.
Santa, tell me if you're really there. Don't make me fall in love again if you won't be here next year.
There's a story that I was told, and I wanna tell the world before I get too old. And don't really
Shake up the happiness, wake it up, wake up the happiness. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh.
Yay! Christmas cookies are done. I'm so happy with how it turned out. They are so cute and so delicious. I put up the Christmas tree and I really wanted to keep it simple, like super simple, so I just added lights. I actually want to buy more lights and just put that on. I actually saw a lot of Christmas tree kind of minimalist or like with just lights on, and I was like, it's so cute, like it looks really nice. So I don't know, maybe this year we're just gonna stay with that. I love to have like the Christmas tree in the back, but I finally picked up my Christmas gift, which I'm super excited about. But I didn't have the time to actually wrap the other gift, so we'll do that tomorrow for sure. But tonight I'm just gonna end my day with a hot chocolate. I'm actually gonna make a healthy chocolate. Like, I was in the grocery store in front of the whipped cream and I was like, I don't really feel like whipped cream actually, so I'm not gonna buy it. I know it's cute, but I just want to make my usual hot chocolate, and I'm just gonna do that. And I think also I'm just gonna do something on Instagram, which is the show me a picture of, and you know, like people ask picture of yourself while you were in high school, or like your last picture on your phone, stuff like this. And I found it so fun, especially because I love taking pictures, I love the memories, so I think it's a good thing, I think it's fun. So I think I'm just gonna do that while drinking my hot chocolate.
We've no place to go. Let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
as you've just seen, Anthony and I, we went to do some last minute shopping in order to get back to our apartment to pick up some stuff. So I decided to go with him. Yeah, I bought a few last things for my parents, and now I'm gonna just wrap some gifts because no one is at home. So it's just the perfect time to take the presents and wrap them up because no one can see what's inside. So I'm just gonna do that. I'm not a pro at it, not at all, but I know how to wrap. So I have some gifts here. I have the gift wraps here. I need some scissors. By the way, this is the cookies. Not even 24 hours after I baked them. I guess they were pretty good because there's almost nothing left. So, and I need some tape. I think I'm just gonna use both because I found them so cute.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows.
Guys, this is the worst gift I've ever wrapped in my whole life. But to be honest, this paper, I think you can see it on camera, but it's like actual real paper, super thick, and it's not like silky or like shiny, and so it's super hard to actually wrap it without doing horrible stuff like this. It's too thick. I just can't wait to be a mom, and then my kids, their gifts will look like this, and I'll be like, I'm sorry, it's Santa, it doesn't know how to wrap presents. But okay, we're just gonna try again, okay? That's what we're gonna do.
Rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't
If you're someone who stresses about like the thing like this, you're gonna be like super stressed, but it's way better than the first time.
miss it. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, and that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
I just realized that I forgot to buy some stuff to kind of tag names or to kind of decorate presents. So yeah, it's really neutral. I mean, I want some stuff to either write on that or to put something for the names, but yeah, I forgot. That's bad. I'm gonna ask my mom when she comes back if she has some stuff. Otherwise, honestly, I think it's just gonna stay like this. Alright guys, I'm just gonna cut this video right here and I'm gonna edit all of that, so hopefully it will be uploaded by tonight. And also give this video a big like if you did enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my upcoming videos. And also I wish you a very Merry Christmas, because Christmas is in 2 days, which is crazy. Time goes by so fast. This is insane. I can't even believe we're almost in 2021. But yeah, I hope you have a really good week as well, and I see you in my next video. Bye!